What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today is Monday, the start of the week, and pretty excited. And make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's start this video. BMW. Oh, which bike is this? Kawasaki, some dirt bike sort of a thing. I'm not very sure if it was road legal, but looks nice. A very good looking BMW is approaching this way. Comment down below which model is it. I guess it's a GT, yeah. This GT is really nice. An Audi. The cherry blossom tree looks so nice. I guess it was a Maybach. Mercedes Maybach. Looks really nice. Out here we have the GLS230 Mercedes. Sad to say, but it has a big dent on the rear. And here we have a Mahindra. Oh, on my left we have another Mercedes CDI. Here we have the Jeep Limited Plus. On my right we have nice looking Mercedes. Seeing a lot of Mercedes today. Oh, but look at the traffic, guys. On my left as well as on my front. Out there as well. Here we have a X1. The dual exhaust is looking very nice on this thing. This Honda 250 CBR looks still in good condition. Here we have a Discover Sport HSE Luxury Land Rover. Very nice. So guys, this is the reason why people are not willing to buy another new car, because there's no fun to ride four-wheelers nowadays. Look at this. There's no space even to get through your bike as well. And how can you enjoy riding four-wheeler in such a condition like this? That's just my opinion, guys. So guys, I'll be ending this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and do comment down below which car did you like the most. And make sure you subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And do like and share. Bye guys. God bless you all. Have a great day. Bye bye. This bike has a loud exhaust. I guess it's a Royal Enfield GT with a custom exhaust.